Hey everyone, this is my case study on osteomyelitis. A 62-year-old male presents to the ER with worsening left heel pain, limited ability to bear weight on that heel, low-grade fever, and general malaise for 5 days. He has a history of poorly controlled diabetes, and he has a previously diagnosed non-healing diabetic ulcer on his left heel. There is new purulent exudate observed from the ulcer, and the surrounding tissues appear to be swollen and red. It is suspected that his ulcer has become infected and may have spread to the surrounding bone. Upon MRI of the left foot and blood work with notable leukocytosis, he's diagnosed with osteomyelitis. His ulcer exudate is sent for culture and sensitivity, but he is immediately given a loading dose of IV Vanco and Zosyn to cover him broadly now. He is admitted to the med-surg floor for IV antibiotics and possible debridement of the left heel bone.